day, ma'am. I am Jane Basadra and ang pinili ko pong tula ni Rizal is yung tulang Por la Educación Receive Lustre in Patria, or in English, Education Gives Luster to Motherland. Dr. Sir Rizal's poem, Education Gives Luster to the Motherland, it emphasized the importance of education in shaping individuals and building a strong, progressive nation. So, Rizal described education as a source of enlightenment, virtue, and national pride. So, it compares to natural elements like breath, flowing water, and sunlight to highlight its power to nurture and transform. Wala na to, it conveys the wise and proper education does more than just provide knowledge. So, it also entails morality, discipline, and patriotism in individuals. So, si Rizal he argues that when people are educated, they can overcome ignorance, reject wrongdoing, and contribute to the peace and stability of society. So, so he believes that education produces leaders and responsible citizens who can guide the nation toward honor and progress. So, Rizal wrote this poem during a time when the Philippines was under the Spanish colonial rule, where Filipinos were denied access to proper education. So, through this work, he wanted to inspire his fellow countrymen, especially the youth, to seek wisdom and use it as a tool for empowerment and national development. So, he saw education as the key to freedom from oppression and a way to achieve lasting change for the community. So, in summary, Rizal's poems serve as the reminder that education is essential not just for personal success, but for the progress of the entire nation. So, dito is he encourages people to value and pursue learning as it is the foundation of the just, enlightened, and prosperous society. Dun sa drawing na ginawa ko, my drawing features sa graduate students with the Philippines as the background, symbolizing the importance of education in shaping the nation's future. So this directly connects to Sir Rizal's poem, Education Gives Luster to Motherland, which highlights how education brings enlightenment, progress, and honor to the country. So the graduate student represent the youth who have gained knowledge and wisdom through education. So in the poem, Rizal emphasizes that education is the key to uplifting individuals in society, allowing them to become responsible citizens and leaders. So by completing their studies, they are now equipped with the tools to contribute to the country's growth. So the Philippines in the background symbolizes national pride and development. Rizal believed that education is not just for personal success, but also for the progress of the entire country. When people are educated, they can fight ignorance, promote justice, and help build a better nation. So this reflects the poem's messages that education gives luster or brings light to the motherland. And I chose to draw this because it visually represents Rizal's belief that a well-educated youth is the foundation of a strong and prosperous nation. Just as Rizal encourages Filipinos to value education, so my artwork shows that every graduate contributes to the country's future, bringing hope, honor, and positive change. That's all po. Thank you.